Do some of your apps not work because the lack of performance in your phone? Well, I have a solution. Say hello to RAM Plus, which will add additional RAM to your phone from 2 gigabytes to 4 to 6 and even 8. Well, you might be wondering, this might be a scam, but no, hold up. This is not a scam because Samsung has added a new feature which allows you to add additional RAM onto your phone. But hold up, don't go to your settings yet because we have to make sure that you are on the latest version of Samsung's update, which is the One UI 4.1, because otherwise this will not work. So now with that out of the way, let's get right into it. So you have to go into settings and then you have to scroll all the way down until you see battery and device care. Click on it and then you have to go to memory, and then you have like multiple, okay, it says clean 1.3 gigabytes. Okay, let's do that. Meanwhile, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also like this video. Alright, so now we're done, and as you can see, this option right here, RAM Plus, and if you click on this, you can see you have multiple options to choose from 2, 4, 6, and even 8 gigabytes of virtual memory, which will add to your phone. So let's say you have a 8 gigabyte Samsung S21, so now it will be 16 gigabyte RAM on your phone. So this is pretty amazing feature that Samsung has added, and you might be wondering, it's probably connected to a cloud or something. No, it actually takes some GB from your internal storage and convert it into RAM. So wherever you need it, it adds automatically. And I've heard of some people that they say that, oh, these certain apps don't work on my phone, like this and that, I have to go use the desktop. Well,
stop it, get some help.
Because Samsung has added additional RAM. So for example, if you use CapCut or UCut or Adobe Softreels, this will help you a lot. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video on the new feature of One UI 4.1 of RAM Plus, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like on this video and also subscribe to my channel with post notification turned on. And also, I have started my merch, so if you want to check out my merch, go down into the description box and then support me by buying my merch. And I'll see you guys next time. See ya, and enjoy your new phone with extra RAM.